Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw 180-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing a line here of any length. Okay. Next, pointing here to draw 180-degree angle. Now putting the protractor on the line perfectly, then now we have to count all the angles. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to this is 180 degree. So this is 180. So okay, so we got 180. Now joining this to get 180 degree angle. So we got 180 degree angle by joining this. So this is 180 degree. So this is P, Q and R. So therefore angle PQR equal to, we can write PQR equal to 180 degree. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.